Welcome to this tutorial on turning on the distraction-free mode in WordPress. In this guide, we will walk you through each step so that you can easily make these adjustments without any confusion. Let us begin by navigating to the WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the WordPress URL. Once the site loads, you will see the home page and some familiar navigation options. After you have arrived at the WordPress site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you will find the login option. Click on the login option to proceed to your account access page. This click will take you to a page where you can verify your credentials and sign in securely. After you have accessed the login page, you will notice a button or link that reads Continue with Google. If you prefer to use your Google account for authentication, simply click on this option. Following that, you will see a list of your available Google accounts. Choose the account you want to associate with your WordPress login. This step not only speeds up the process, but also provides a secure method of signing in. Once you are successfully logged in, you should look for the Quick Links section on your dashboard. This section is designed to provide easy and immediate access to the most common management tasks. In this section, select the option labeled Edit Site. This will take you into the site editor where you can customize various aspects of your website's appearance and functionality. Inside the site editor, your next task is to locate the three dots found at the top right corner of the screen. These dots represent additional settings and functions, and clicking on them will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Carefully click on the dots to uncover this expanded menu. Following this, from the options presented in the drop-down menu, click on Preferences. This area is where you can adjust the overall behavior of your editing experience and configure settings that make designing your site more intuitive. The Preferences menu is an important hub for managing how you interact with WordPress. Within Preferences, you will see multiple tabs dedicated to different customization settings. One of these is the Appearance section. Click on Appearance to open settings and options that directly affect the look of your WordPress editor. This section contains controls to modify fonts, colors, layout settings, and other visual aspects. After the appearance settings are loaded, you will notice the option to turn on the distraction-free mode. This particular feature is designed to create a clean and minimalistic workspace, allowing you to focus solely on editing and writing. Locate the setting labeled distraction-free. Once you have found it, toggle the switch or click on the button to turn on distraction-free mode. With this change enabled, unnecessary visual clutter will be removed, leaving you with a streamlined editor interface that helps you concentrate on your content. By following these steps, you have now successfully turned on the distraction-free mode in WordPress. This mode is especially useful when writing blog posts, articles, or working on any content where focus is essential. Each step has been designed to ensure that you have a smooth and straightforward experience configuring your site settings. Enjoy your clean workspace and happy editing with WordPress.